Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of you don't have permission to access on Messenger app. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of you don't have permission to access on Messenger app, you click on settings. In this page you can click on apps and you will enter to Messenger. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention and your watching.